Now let me walk you through the different steps of Epley maneuver, which is actually the manual repositioning of the patient who is experiencing vertigo. Remember, if symptoms of vertigo occur from the left side and the left ear, the Epley maneuver can be done by following these steps. So step number 1 is we instruct the patient to sit on the edge of the bed and turning the head 45 degrees to the side. Next, step number 2 is to actually instruct the client to lie down quickly and facing, once again, the head up on a 45-degree angle. So that's step number 2. Step number 3 is actually instructing the client to maintain the position for step number 2 for 30 minutes. Now this is actually done to ensure that there's a balance in the endolymphatic fluids, which is important in controlling vertigo. Step number 4 of the Epley maneuver would actually be requiring that the head of the patient should be halfway at 90 degrees to the right, and we instruct them not to raise it for 30 seconds. Step number 5 of the Epley maneuver is instructing the client to turn the head and this time the entire body to the right side, and we instruct the client to look downward for 30 seconds. And the last step is to instruct the client to slowly sit up, but to remain seated for at least a few minutes. This is done to ensure that the balance of the endolymphatic fluids in the inner ear is maintained. Now, just a reminder, if vertigo starts on the right side in the right ear, this direction should be done in reverse. Remember, in the first step of our discussion, for the steps that we discussed, the patient is having the vertigo on the left side. Therefore, the repositioning is done on the other side.